Welcome back to the channel. Today, I need your help. Actually, I don't need your help. It really doesn't matter to me, but other people need your help. So let's help them out so that they don't fall victim to the scam that's going around. So there is a Facebook page that is pretending to be my Facebook page. It's basically a mirror, and I haven't posted in a while, and I think that's when they took their opportunity to start posting as me on Facebook, which really didn't bother me all that much until I started getting emails for people asking where their parts are. So I had an email from a subscriber that told me about this page, so I went over to that page and I found that they were parting out cars and listing parts for sale. People are going there and then they ask for, a Venmo or PayPal or anything else, and you send them the money and you never get your parts. So that's a problem for me. As you guys know, if you've been here before, I'm not big on scammers. So we tried reporting the page to Facebook, and of course, they're too busy censoring other people and their opinions to worry about getting rid of people that are actually causing trouble and people to lose money. So I'm hoping that if we get enough people to share and report them, Facebook will actually, do their job. So let's try that first. So I'm going to link down below the page that is not my page, and you can go report them that it's a scam. If you really want to mess with them, go right ahead. Just don't send them any money. But if you want to waste their time and you got some free time and want to amuse yourself, which I did, but just so you know, I'm now blocked. And I had a couple other people that left comments warning other people, and they blocked all them too. Facebook keeps denying the request to take it down, so clearly they don't care. But maybe if they're forced to look at this enough times, they'll start caring. So, well, I'll show you the page right now, and then I'll show you the texts I sent back and forth, the messages I sent back and forth, and you can see how the scam works. So here's our fake Facebook page. As you can see, they clearly like their Mustangs. Should be your first clue, it's not mine. And you can see that all the pictures that are the same as my Facebook page, they're a lot lower resolution. I think they just screenshotted those and put them up there. That way there'd be no metadata if they stole them. So I stopped posting, and then they started just putting up their Mustangs and pictures of Mustangs they supposedly have. Their page is pretty old, so they've been around for a while. I would imagine they probably bought a few followers to get the followers up to the same number, and then just started pretending to be me, so that if anybody was on one page, they could flop back and forth and find this one, and then hopefully they end up selling you some parts. So they basically just stole all these pictures off of Copart websites, anywhere on the internet. If you copy the picture, Google can find it for you. So they definitely seem to be trying to sell or target the people that own Mustangs for sure. I mean, definitely know this isn't me. I wish I had a garage like that where I could lay out those parts and have that much room. I also wish that I was down in the desert Southwest where this picture is clearly taken. That is not my backyard, in case you were wondering. Although it is a Mustang convertible, but it is a new Edge. I like the way they look, but they weren't very fast and not too much fun, so I'll leave them where they are. Got a few parts and some Fox bodies. Not convertibles, though. And I think that white one is the one that I tried to buy parts off of. It didn't work out. I didn't get my parts. Maybe because I didn't pay for them. So here's the messages I sent, because I kind of wanted to see how the scam works, and I wanted to annoy them. So I picked one of the cars that they had. Of course, I picked a Mustang, said I wanted to buy a door. Asked them where I could pick it up. They told me when they were available. This was like on a Saturday. I asked them how much for the door. They said $200. Is it off and ready to go? And of course, because these guys are efficient, it's off and ready to go. Awesome. So where do I pick it up? I pick it up at my house from Christ. Okay. Well, you're so close to me. It's almost like you are in the same house. Do you take cash? Nah. What? Who doesn't take cash? So that's when they hit me with all the ways I can pay them. Okay, I can do PayPal. When I get there and I see the door and make sure it's okay. I wanted to see how far they were willing to take this. Well, they were really getting impatient and they wanted that deposit, so they wanted to let me know that there's a lot of interest in that part. And also note that they got there early, to work at 4 a.m. So they're trying to get me to give them the deposit before I see the part by, making a sense of urgency that I'm going to lose it, because they know that if I do show up, which I keep wanting to actually show up in person, that I'm going to find out this is a scam. So they're doing everything they can to get that money before, they get exposed. So I asked them if I could pick it up then tomorrow, which they'd already told me they were closed. I believe that was a Sunday. And they said, yeah, I could pick it up. I said, when will you be there? I could be there anytime. And they said, before 2 p.m. Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes. And at that point, I got blocked. So I sent the message again just to be sure. And yep, I guess they don't want to sell me my parts that they don't have. So now you know how this scam works. If they're not going to get shipping out of you, they at least try to get a deposit through their electronic payments that you can't take back. So that's why they don't take credit cards, because you could reverse the charges. So now you know how the scam works. If you want to go have a little fun with them, go right ahead. I highly recommend it. It'll keep you entertained for a few minutes. Although, if you do plan on reporting them, do that first, because when you have a little fun with them, you will get blocked. So I can't even see their page anymore, so you guys will have to let me know if we are successful and it does get taken down. But I don't have a whole lot of faith in Facebook. But on a side note, if Facebook doesn't take it down, well, we're going to get a little more creative. There are ways to get a hold of these people, and I will do just that. Because I just want to talk to them.
I just want to talk to him.
Why do you have a shotgun?
I just want to talk to him.
Dad, this is ridiculous.
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him.
It is not his fault.
I just want to shoot him. I just want to talk to him.
You can't shoot him.
So I guess if Facebook doesn't do the right thing, the videos might get a little more interesting from here on out. And just so you know, there's only 2 ways to buy stuff from me, whether it's parts, cars, or merchandise. And that's either through my website, which is vcore.com. There's links in every single video in the description, or buying from me in person, which is a whole lot harder to do because it's not easy to get a hold of me. So that's it. If it's any other Facebook marketplace or anything else, just don't buy it. It's not me. So I'm honored that, I've reached the point where people are trying to be me. But yeah, I'm not that cool. So just don't buy their parts. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your help. And I'll see you in the next video, or maybe on Facebook.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate